There's a field. There's a car racetrack there.
Yeah, there's a race thing usually like right there, but it's not open today.
Yeah, they do it on Wednesdays.
Yeah, they do.
See different colors. Fall is coming.
Yeah.
Leaves changing color.
So there's a lot of trees here. It's like a forest.
It's like some people live out here. You see them?
Yeah, they live there, probably.
Yeah.
Turn it off?
Keep showing this, you know.
Okay. Papa, what's Kenora?
No, it's a town.
Can we go there sometime?
You heard that twice.
I want to go there again.
It's the big bike. It's a 6 hours drive. Far.
No, like
Look.
next year.
Yeah, when we bring you to Winnipeg to compete.
We could go past?
Yeah.
Okay.
We can spend some time. You can just put camera at the back. This.
thing for fun. No, I'm gonna mess up very fast.
No, you won't.
Yes, I will.
You will still practice. It still will be in December.
Yeah, I'm still not doing it.
Yeah, do I?
No. I'm not doing it. I'm gonna mess it up right away.
We're doing it for gift.
I don't
I mean, you're gonna.
The only gift I want is iPhone 15 or Google Pixel. Or the Pixie.
You see how you played so good that Russian folk songs in a concert for Olga. Yeah?
Yeah, but it's still scary. I messed up.
No? Nobody noticed. Lots of apples to give to piggies. Hey, you guys probably all want something. Give to them as well. Careful with your hand.
Amare Vita hat from the owner.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Equestrian. Well, you walk and tell where we are.
We are in Amare Vita. We're gonna be looking at the horses. So here are a few horses. Like,
So
of
you
course.
tell that you are a student here, right?
Yeah, I'm a student. So yeah.
Oh, it's already like what, 3 years?
Yeah. So here are the horses. And there's more, of course. But if you want to look at this one. Hi. Oh, you want to get looked at? I'm going to go to your fence. Hi. Hello. The horse wants to come up and say hi.
And you know where is Bizou?
Bizu's at the near, and I believe.
Oh, is that Brandy?
Yeah, that's Brandy. Of course, my old horsey. Brandy! B, come here. Brandy! Brandy, come here. Brandy! Come over here. Hi, come here.
Brandy.
Brandy! Come over here. Hi, it's me. Brandy, come. Oh my God. Hello.
the name of this one?
No, but
Careful.
I don't know.
Keep this.
Yeah, you want to see the photo camera?
Here we go, Brandy.
Brandy, oh hi! What was that? Oh, she is here, my old horse.
Let's see, Bisou.
Yeah. Oh, you missed me. Yeah. These horses are very kind. That's not Bisou, that's Wendy. Hi, Wendy. I believe that's Wendy. Oh, you just nodded. Hello, horse. I don't know what your name is. And then Bisou is probably in the, yeah, she's in that stall. Bisou, Bisou. Bisou, 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 come here. Bisou. Bisou's in the pink shoes. Hi, Pinka. Pinka.
Penka and Bisou.
Hi, Bisou.
Bisou.
That's not Bisou. I don't know. Mort.
Mort?
Mort or Mort. That's the one that's coming up. I don't know who that horse is. Hi. Bisou. Pinka. Hello. Hi, Mart or Mort. You have to stay away from him because he bites. Bisou, come here.
Bisou. Bisou is busy eating.
Bisou Louise, come here. She's in the pink shoe. You want to go see the baby horses?
Okay.
Bye. This is a big horse right over here.
Yeah. Giant, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, look how big, huh?
These are the ponies. This is Lily. Her mother died, unfortunately. Hi. Hi, Pony. Hi, Lily. I'm gonna feed her.
And you know the name of this one?
I'm not sure, but it's a beautiful one. Hi.
Blue-eyed. Albino.
That's his name?
No, albino is white.
They're really cute.